I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook turkey bacon. For a classic pan-fried approach, begin by preheating a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Arrange your turkey bacon in a single layer, ensuring no pieces overlap for even cooking. Cook each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, or until it reaches a beautiful golden brown color and your desired level of crispiness. This method is quick and delivers delicious results every time. If you're preparing a larger batch or prefer a hands-off method, baking is an excellent choice. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or foil for easy cleanup. Lay the turkey bacon in a single layer and bake for 10 to 15 minutes, flipping it halfway through. This ensures consistent crispiness across all your slices, making breakfast prep a breeze. For a super quick option, the microwave can be your best friend. Place your turkey bacon on a microwave-safe plate lined with 2 layers of paper towels. Cover it with another paper towel to absorb any excess grease. Microwave on high for 2 to 4 minutes, checking frequently. Cooking times vary based on your microwave's wattage, so keep an eye on it until it reaches your preferred crispiness. The air fryer offers a fantastic way to achieve extra crispy turkey bacon with minimal oil. Start by preheating your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the turkey bacon in a single layer within the basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook for 7 to 10 minutes, flipping the slices halfway through the cooking process. You'll love the perfectly crisp texture this method provides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.